What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just want to do a quick hit, show you a Christmas ornament that I just picked up because we are getting to the season. 'Tis the season. And as you may have seen, a few years ago, I actually went and spent some time in California, Coronado to be exact, and I had a chance to stay at a hotel, the Hotel del Coronado. So it was my first time staying there. I had a lovely, lovely time. San Diego is a great town. Coronado is a great town. And this is an ornament from the Hotel del Coronado. The Del, as they call it, or the Del Coronado for short. And they release ornaments every now and then, and I've never picked one up, but I wanted to commemorate my trip there. So I picked up this 2021 ornament here because I thought it looked pretty cool. Now, this is how it comes. It's a true unboxing. It actually comes like in a box that looks like it is wrapped in Christmas wrapping paper, and it looks like we get some batteries here, some very, very small watch batteries, so I'm guessing this sucker will light up. Man, I mean, it is packaged very nicely. I'm trying to be careful about pulling this out because it is a very thin glass, as you can see there. Looks very nice. I like that it is kind of this stained glass. Guess maybe painted from the inside. So it has all the iconic red roof, the windows there. We have little white glitter on the sides here. We have on the front holly, a Christmas wreath, 2021 Hotel del Coronado. Now the Hotel Del has undergone renovations recently. I would love to go back and check it out. You can see we've got a nice little red loop up here at the top to hang it on your tree, and down here on the bottom is where I think it'll be electric. Now there might be a battery in there already. I'm just going to go ahead and, oh, look at that, it does. So you can kind of see it right through there. It looks like we have a little yellow LED. You can kind of see it through the top of the glass there as well. So this thing will illuminate and should be pretty nice to look at on your tree. And if you have lights on your tree, it should fit in there nicely. Great way to commemorate a trip, a visit, a stay at the Hotel Del. It's pretty big too, man. This thing is probably 4 inches in diameter, but quite light, so should work on any tree. Maybe you have fond memories of the Hotel Del, time in SoCal, San Diego, Coronado, any of those places, and you just want to be reminded of that with a little model of the ballroom from the Hotel Del. We're going to have to act fast because they are obviously limited edition because of the year, but also, I think, limited quantities. So, first come, first served. Hey, if this will brighten up your holidays, help you live a little better, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.